is Dan of Vagabond Buddha. And we are in Penang, Malaysia, on our Old Town walking tour. And so come along and join us. Take a look. This is the Penang Town Hall. This town hall was completed in 1906 during the British colonial period, before there was electricity on the island. The Dutch had Indonesia, the French had Indochina, and the British started their foothold in Southeast Asia here, Malacca and Singapore. This was a natural next step for the British because they came here from India across the Bay of Bengal. So this is the second stop on the Old Town, walking towards the Peranakan Mansion.
Yes.
Let's go inside and take a look. So this is the entryway of this home. It's a mansion, of course. And if you were a visitor of this family, it's a Chinese family at the time, you would have been led here and by the staff and asked to sit and wait for your host. And that's what this room's for, receiving guests. Just off the entryway, you may find yourself here to enjoy an evening with the family, possibly a card game or a drink. So this home was completed about 100 years ago, and much of the furnishings here and the art is Malaysian. Also, much of it's also Chinese. The Chinese, of course, have a very strong culture, and they bring it with them wherever they go. And this house is no exception. Would you like a map of this walking tour? Just click the link in the notes below the YouTube video to get this walking tour. It'll direct you everywhere to go. In addition to that, on our webpage at that link, you'll find everything you need to know about Penang, what to do, best prices, where to stay, everything you need. And now we're on the second floor. It'd be fun to show you a 100-year-old bed. And some clothing. So Malaysians always have dressed colorfully, as you can see. More teak wood. So this area is called Little India. Malaysia has the three ethnic groups, the Malay, which are mostly Muslim, and the Indians, and the ethnic Chinese. You see temples like this all around southern India. A few in the north, but the style of art and worship is more southern. So this Yatki Kongshi temple and clan house is a testament to the cultural dominance that the Chinese have played here in Penang for centuries. So the clan house here was completed in 1906. This association here originated in Chongqing of the Fujian province of China. The clan had some of the wealthiest of the Straits Chinese merchants in the 17th century. And this is the temple of the family, of the clan. And these clans often fought against each other in violent conflicts, even if they're in the same city sometimes. Let's check it out inside. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, could you please like it, comment, subscribe, or share on social media? Any of those acts would help our business. We'd surely appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, this is the next stop on the walking tour. What's this place called? Temple.
Yes.
What she said. Let's check it out. So this is the oldest of the 5 big clans for the Hokkien community of Penang. These clans formed sort of a self-defense, and they sent money back to their villages in southern China. Today they still exist, and they promote the welfare of their members and provide scholarships to their children. And like all of these clans, the ancestors are, the names of the ancestors are, the prominent ones are carved on these boards back here, like we saw in the other temples. And like we saw, Chung Hoi placed her grandmother's name in the temple in her hometown when we were there a few days ago. The ceilings here are just as extravagant as the walls in some respects. This is the patio area right out in front of the temple. As you can see, this one's has grounds which are well manicured. Chung Hoi's having some laksa in the Jetty food court, which is on the walking tour. It's delicious?
Yes.
8 ringgit, so $2.
No, 5.
5 ringgit.
I have other food.
Oh, you got more coming. Okay. So this soup was $1.25. The drink was 75 cents. And we're in that food court. Pretty much anything you'd want is here, I mean, in terms of Asian food. Although I haven't seen Japanese or Korean for that matter. So this is the Jetty food court, and the clan Jetty is right across the street over here. Hey, if you'd like to learn how to live internationally, possibly with less money than you're spending living at home, please come to Vagabond Buddha, and along the top menus you'll see a link to click a free ebook. We'll tell you all about it. Thanks for listening.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
It's good. It's very good. Wow. It's good. I believe the noodle will be nice because they give me the very nice spicy. Yeah.
Chung Hui, what'd you order?
Oh, a vegetarian soup.
Isn't that a bit much soup for you? No?
No.
So hungry today.
Wow. It's all vegetarian.
Yeah?
It's good for you.
What do I eat?
You like it?
This is the second jetty. And the surname on this jetty is Lim. Which is single family homes. Very cool. So it's a wrap. We finished the Old Town walking tour here in Penang, and we're headed home. We're grabbing a grab car, 7 ringgit.
Yes.
And thanks for watching.